It is a set of 150-meter electric winch water well camera. 360-degree rotating camera. This camera can also be seen from the front. You can also see it from the side. In front of it are 8 lamp beads. On the side are 24 lamp beads. The light can be strengthened and increased. This is our wellhead pulley. The host is a 12-inch large screen host and a toolbox. This host has dual focus. The camera also has dual focus function. That is to say, the focus can be adjusted in front. As for the side, you can also adjust the far and near focal length. Now let's turn it on and check it. First, we need to connect all these wires. The first cable. It is the connecting cable of this DC 1-2 power adapter. Connect to 220 volts. Another one is this 220 volts power cord. It's started by an electric winch. The cable is plugged in here. Then the next one is this 6-core wire. The 6-core wire is the interface of the probe. One end is connected to the host. The other end needs to be connected to the one next to the winch. On this slip ring. Next is this 4-core wire. It is the interface of deep display. One end is connected to the pulley. On the other end, we need to connect to the host. Insert into the hole of 4 cores. The last one is this 2-core wire. The 2-core wire is the interface of the motor. One end is connected to the host. At the other end, we connect to the motor next to the winch. Our winch. And this collision-proof chain. Take a look. The workmanship is very good. After all, are connected. It will enter the power on state here. Enter the power on state. It first probes, the light will turn on. You see, this is entering the power on state. This one has double focus. It can also be seen from the front. You can also see it from the side, and it can adjust the focal length near and far. This is the front end. The front end is here. We can zoom out the video. You see, after pulling away the hole, the effect will be very blurry. And then pull like this. It will be very high definition. Front light. It can also be adjusted. We can add lights. It can be attenuated. This is the light from the front. It's when you need to switch the angle here. Click here to switch the angle. This is the front end. This is the side. After switching to the side, let's start with a 360-degree rotation of the sides. It rotates 360 degrees by these 2 keys. It does not limit positive and negative rotation. You can turn it at will. Let's take a look. After turning around, its light can be adjusted. The lights can be dimmed. It can be augmented. We'll rotate the video for you again. Rotate it around and look at the focal length. You refer to an object. Let's see what this focal length does. Its effect will be clearly seen. As you pull away, it will become blurry. You will see the letters clearly after pulling it closer. That's the function of near and far focal lengths. Can be based on the needs of your well. To adjust its focal length. When you need to record, I can record by clicking the OK button in the middle. Then press up to take a photo. Stop is stop recording. Well, this is the menu button. After we enter the menu, the video just recorded. The captured photo is here. You can see it. ESC is back to the main interface. This is a snapped photo. Let's take a look at the captured photos. ESC is back to the main interface. Return to the main interface. Then the meter display is the upper left corner. When our pulley turns, the meter number will be displayed. Then click 0 to clear the number of meters. Before the meter number is cleared and left the factory, we have set this circumference for you. If you feel inaccurate, We can use this keyboard. To set the circumference of the meter, click F1. You see, click F1 7 to 8 times. You can set the circumference of the meter. The circumference of this wellhead pulley. It's usually RH 590 pulses. The next step is 400. It has actually been set for you before leaving the factory, so you don't need to change its current circumference. After setting, when you turn this wellhead pulley again, it will be updated. Then click 0. It is the function of clearing the number of meters. You can also use this keyboard. Type some pound signs on the screen. Characters to record. It's a two-way keyboard. Well, it can be used for both purposes. You can record characters. You can change the perimeter. Very convenient. And then, here we are in the video channel. Click here to enter the channel without recording. Then click AV1 again. It's the video channel. The last item is the electric winch. The electric winch is here when not in use. It's all black lights. Show. And let's say you go forward. You can see that the display light will turn on. Then slowly turn this governor. The electric scooter will move. Turn off the governor and click stop. It will stop. It's the same backwards. Slowly turn this governor. The electric winch will move. Okay, turn off the governor and click stop. You have to click stop before it stops operating. Look at the whole set of equipment. It's already done for you. If you have any questions, please contact Alan. Considering that there is no electricity, we also give away additional accessories. We equipped you with this hand crank and battery clips and your European standard plug. For customers who require European standard plugs, we will provide them. The function of the handle, that is to say, your electric winch. In case of sudden power failure of the motor, in the case of remove the chain here. Plug this rocker in like this. You can crank it by hand. Battery clip, that is to say, pick up a 12-volt battery. Then plug this into the 12-volt input. You can also turn on the host. You have to have a 12-volt battery, positive and negative connection. This is an emergency. Without power, you only need to connect it manually.